Today we are going to learn 50 plus basic sentences in English.
I would like some coffee, please.
Can you help me, please?
Where are you going today?
What time does it start?
I really need to go now.
The sun is shining brightly today.
Could you turn off the lights?
She is coming to the party.
I am learning English every day.
Can you tell me the time?
Please speak a little more slowly.
Do you know the answer yet?
The children are playing outside.
He is reading a good book.
I need to study for my test.
What did you eat for lunch?
The store opens at 10 o'clock.
Are you ready to go home?
Let's take a walk together today.
They arrived late to the meeting.
I am cooking dinner right now.
We should clean the house today.
Please write your name here, please.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
My favorite color is blue.
The flowers smell really good today.
What are you thinking about now?
She likes to draw and paint.
The cat is sleeping on the bed.
Do you have a pet dog?
Where did you buy that book?
It's raining very hard outside today.
I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
He rides his bike every morning.
Please hand me that blue pen.
Do you want some water now?
I don't understand this question fully.
The cake tastes sweet and delicious.
The library closes at 6 today.
My sister is learning to swim.
Are you excited for the holiday?
He always walks his dog here.
The park is open all year.
She sings beautifully at the concert.
How much does this cost?
They are building a new school.
I like to go for a jog.
She has a very nice smile.